Okay, so I'm just about to execute some trades. Okay, so I'm just from trading, that is, I'm raising the crypto market. This is Ethereum. I'd actually opened a trade on Ethereum. I was also doing some analysis that's on BTC. Okay, but now we need to get to binary trading. So just get on derivtraders.co.ke, and I want us to trade with this specific robot here, this one. Just click free bots. Under free bots, go to the Airite AI, and we have this specific robot called the Airite Hunter AI, and just load the robot that is on your DERIV account. Just click load the bot. Yeah, then we're gonna do the setup. We'll actually trade that is over 1 with a recovery of over 4. I'll also do a video on how you can actually be able to apply the split multi-gun with this specific robot. We'll do a stake of 50. I think 50 is okay. Yeah, then a target profit of $100 per trade. Then a stop loss, I'm gonna set up a stop loss at around $300. Yeah, so the reason why I'm actually doing a TP of $100, I know probably I can even set something like even $300 or $200, but I need to go with I need to go in small bits to avoid instances where the market changes when I'm still trading. So to hit $100 with a stake of $50 will only take me less than 10 contracts, and that will actually help me not to find myself over trading. Now let's analyze the market. Yeah, so there are those conditions that you need to check. So just click the circles, then go to the right analysis, then click over and unders. Then because this robot we have set a recovery over 4, that means we'll be rising over 4 market. So just click 4 there, set 4 on the LDP analyzer. Then the prediction also on this over under percentages, just click 4. For this one you can set up at around 250. So when you're analyzing the market, you should make sure that this percentage over 4 market is from around 53% and above, 55% and above this one over 4 market. Then you also need to make sure that when you are actually trading, most of the digits that are actually appearing here, that is on the LDP and riser, are over digits. Let me also set the specific volatility here and see how it is. The market should be on a consistent rise, and I can see the market is on the rise. If you check on the LDP, you can also see over market is also dominating. So something else that you also need to do, just go to the circles. You need to make sure the blue bar, green bar are on the upper side. Okay, so and now I'll start executing my trades. Okay, this robot is auto analysis, so you should not really mind so much about the entry point here, because the robot will only start. Okay, I don't know how I pose the trades. Okay, yeah, it's okay now. The robot is actually running. You can actually see I'm executing the contracts, and I can see on this other side market ni kama imeingia fall, so I need to stop. Exactly, I have actually stopped around $46. Let me get back to the drawing board, get to the Airite analysis. Hapa tuweke 4, hapa tuweke 4. Then let's see the percentage is around 50. It's okay. Let's see the LDP and riser. You can actually see the under digits have started dominating, and if you check on the other side, you can actually see that the market is now on. The market is currently on a fall. So what does that mean? We need to look for different volatility, but we have managed to take about 5 trades, all wins. Yeah, now let's try get another volatility which we can execute the trades. Yeah, okay, naona kama volatility 1S ime reverse. You can actually see it's around 48%. Okay, okay, let's just get a different volatility, because I can see let's see, the other digits are still dominating, so we need a market that over digits are actually dominating. This one is around 47%. Over 4 market is 47%. Still not yet. We have this other one, it's around 52. Let's see volatility 75 1S on this other side. The market should be on a rise momentum. Okay, the market is on a fall. You can also see other digits are actually trying to dominate this market. Okay, 75 1S on this other side. You can actually see, yeah, these under digits will actually make you blow the account. So let's see this one. This one's around 48%. But let's see where this market is headed, because we have to hit our target profit in this specific video. This is volatility. Okay, this is volatility 101s. The market is on a rise. I can also see the over digits are trying to gain the momentum. Okay, let me just set up 101s and take just about like 5 contracts and close the trade. It is a custom robot, so you can just leave it at that point. Although the percentage is around 50, but I can see the market is actually gaining. Let's see when it comes to the circles. Tumesema the blue bar, green bar should all be above digit 4. I can see the green bar is on digit 4. Okay, I can still do it, but you should make sure that the market meets all the conditions. So currently at 56%. On this other side, I can see the market is still on the rise. Yeah, the market is still rising. I'm actually using a 1 minute candle. Let's get back on this other part, the right analysis, and see how the prediction, the LDP and riser is actually performing. And I think we have managed to hit our target profit of $100. Yeah, you can actually see we have managed to hit that is $112. So this is how you analyze the market. Let me just explain it in a brief. Yeah, so the volatility that you want to select, first of all, you must make sure that is on these over under percentages. It's over around 53% on this part. Make sure on this prediction digits you set up that is over 4. Yeah, then when it comes to this LDP and riser, like right now you can actually see the over market is actually dominating. The over market is actually dominating, so you can execute that is your trades. At the same time, on the other side, make sure the other digits that is you also need to make sure that on this part, when it comes on the candles are on a rise momentum. The candlestick should be on a rise momentum. The over digits should actually be dominating the market. When you talk of over digits, these digits, that represents over, the U represents under, and whenever you see a digit with an S blue checked, like now this one, that means that was digit 4, meaning that in case we happen to hit on digit 4, that would be an automatic loss. Something else that you also need to take into account, just click the circles, and you need to make sure that for example, if I switch to a different volatility, you can actually see we have, for example, in this case, we have a blue bar and we have a green bar. Both blue bar, green bar should all be above digit 4. That will actually help us to increase our chance of recovery. When it comes to the digit with the red bar, we really don't mind, but if it is on between digit 0 to 4, it's well and good, but even if it's above, no problem. Yeah, so the blue bar, green bar should be above digit 4. So those are the conditions that you need to check when you make an entry. So this robot is actually auto analysis. Yeah, it's actually auto analysis, but if you happen to do your own analysis, you can actually be able to get these kind of amazing results. I took 13 trades. All 13 trades were all wins. It's actually very, very simple to actually trade this robot. Just in case you want to trade over 2, you just need to come and set up here, that is over 2. Just set up this part, that is 2. Yeah, and the robot will automatically execute trades on over 2 and make a recovery with over 4. It's actually that simple. Yeah, the market is still on rise, so that means we are still safe. You can continue executing your trades. Goodbye.